Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. I wanted to give you an update on my tomatoes because they're coming in super nicely, and I am so excited to show you this crazy tomato wall behind me. Okay, so this year I grew my tomatoes right here behind me in my little raised garden bed, and honestly, it's been going super well. I also have some other tomatoes on the other side of the garden in a planter by the pond, and those are doing great as well. But this wall behind me is so impressive, and I'm just so excited to show you all of these crazy big ass tomatoes. Like, it's insane. I'm notoriously bad for labeling things, so I just wanted to let you know right away that some of them I'm not sure what they are yet because they haven't colored up. So whoops, that's on me. So sorry about that, but we will find out what they are soon. I do know what a few of the varieties are, and I just want them to wow. I don't know if you understood that. I just wanted to show you all these beautiful varieties behind me, and some of them are freaking huge, which is absolutely insane. And I literally just finished my frozen tomatoes from last year in pasta sauce 2 nights ago, which is absolutely crazy. I freeze a lot of my excess tomatoes at the very end of the season, or I make canned sauces out of them. And no kidding, I had enough to last me the entire winter, which was absolutely fantastic. I even gave some of it away, so that was super cool. I will say I was a little stunted when it came to my veggie garden this year, just because I did break my collarbone and I didn't get to plant as much as I wanted to, and I was a little late with planting things. So I definitely have seen a lot of other gardeners on my Instagram and everything like that already start posting giant tomato hauls. I will say I started a little late, but that's totally okay. I have so much going on behind me, and let's just get to showing you what I got. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I have a whole tomato wall. I love it. It's blocking the basketball court, and I've only had a few casualties. What I definitely want to do next year is maybe create some hooks from the shed to my little, oh goodness, archway, and just put in some really stable string or something, just to kind of help against bouncing basketballs, which happens often. But JR has definitely smashed a few branches, but that's totally okay. Tomatoes are amazing. I also found a few on the ground one day. It was very disheartening, but everything looks great. These guys are growing in super well. I know for sure that I have these guys right here, which are a pink Berkeley tie-dye. I grew them last year. You can see this one. He is ready to go. You know what? I'm just gonna take him off right now because he is very lush. He's starting to crack at the top a little bit, which happens if they've been left on the vine. Oh my God, he is so ripe, so pretty. This is like a beautiful green topped, striped tomato. I love this, but he's pretty good. Look at the size of this. Look at him. Look how big this is. It's my whole damn hand. It's huge, and there's 2 of them right there. Plus there's more here. That is absolutely insane. Right next to them, I actually, oh, a ladybug just plopped right here. That's super cute. I have these margarita hybrids from Tomato Growers Supply Company, which is the first time grow for me. I've never grown a margarita tomato before, but look at them. Do you see this? They are huge. And they come in bushels. Does this guy have 4? Oh, he has 3. Oh, they both have 3. So that's so cool. So there's 3 giant monsters there, and then 3 more here. I'm sure there might be more. I have no idea. Oh, oh, he's huge. Anyways, I have those guys, plus it looks like here I might have one of my blush varieties of tomatoes. I have quite a few. Same with here, I have some beautiful like cherry tomatoes. I have indigo rose. I don't think those are indigo rose, but I have like another one which is really cool. One sec. Safe choice. Ooh, okay. These ones up here, I believe, might be black plum, which is another amazing new variety that I'm trying. They're a little bit bigger and more elongated than a typical cherry tomato, but they're really dark when they color up, and I love them. I've actually already had a few that ripened down here that I have picked, so I'm really excited for those. And then I have some probably orange, Chef's Choice orange tomatoes, and I believe those are these ones right here, which is really exciting. And basically from this point on, I had I think two of each plant on this rotation, so it should kind of do the same thing over here. Yep, okay, so yeah, there we go. These guys are ripening up down here. Oh my god, look how big these ones are. What the heck? And those are not the margarita ones. Holy moly. I think those are the black plum again. And over here, right beside the archway, is, I believe, the Martha Washington or the Pink Berkeley tie-dye. They're kind of similar. And look, it's climbing. Oh! It's stopping right here so far. And there's big bushels right beside my vine here, and he's just gonna like keep going. I also think, okay, yeah, look, there's little babies starting to form here. There's a bunch here. So it's just gonna keep going up and over. This year I actually, for the first time, put string all throughout this trellis as well as the other one, because the gaps here are too big. So that's definitely really helped structure this and make sure that the vines can go over. And of course, now the tomatoes, which is really exciting. I also put new cucumbers up this side, so they should be growing soon. But yeah, that is my tomato update. I am so excited. I don't know what to do though, because like they're starting to outgrow their stakes. But anything above kind of my head won't really ripen up on time. It's already August. That gives me September and some of October. My tomato production tends to slow down drastically in October because the nights are too cold. So things don't really ripen up anymore. So I don't know, like, let me know in the comments if I should top my tomatoes. They're just gonna grow more like shoots, but I can top them, I can leave them, I can try to like do some string from the top of my archway, like over there to the top of the shed. I don't know. I want to do tomatoes here next year, but I have to like figure out a system because this is already huge. Like this is great. I love it. I love my tomato wall, but it's already getting out of hand. So, yeah. Tomatoes! I love tomatoes so much. I love fresh tomatoes. I love a good, like, bruschetta. I love just like, oh gosh, I'm forgetting the word. You know, like sliced tomato and caprese, like caprese salad, tomato sauce. I freaking just eat them with some salt and pepper. Like, I adore tomatoes. And each year I try to like add a variety or two, like a new seed to my garden. And the ones I've done this year, fantastic. I absolutely adore them. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. Tomato update. Let me know what you're growing, and let me know if you have any seed varieties that I need to try, because I'm always down for more tomatoes. Woo! Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you soon. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I love you. Bye. As always, I have an OnlyFans, and there's a join member down below on one side of the screen. If you want to show support, get extra content, and be a super cool human. All right, guys. Bye.